Hello, this is Keith Graham from Codasip. Let's review Assignment 8, Checkpoint 1, Validating Store Operations. Let's go into Codasip Studio. So you can see that I'm in Codasip Studio now, and I'm actually in the debugger for our load store assembly test. You'll be using the same program to validate at each of the checkpoints in Assignment 8. The first one is just validating the store operations. The first set of instructions are setting up our test. For example, some data in a register. And I'm going to go to the first breakpoint that I've set. You can see that I'm creating some data set in X2. You can see the value right here. I'm then going to my next breakpoint where I'm setting an address in memory that I'm going to be storing the data, which is going to be 2000. You can see that right here in my register view. Now, after I've set up all the data I need for my test, I'm going to actually start storing a word, half words, and bytes, making sure that we're storing them in the right memory location. I'm going to my next checkpoint, and similar to previous assignments, if I have a comment that's further to the left, it means that you should validate something through either the register view or the memory view. Here, it's basically saying the memory location at 2000 will now equal this particular value, 87654321. Now I'm going to go to the memory view. I'm going to select my range. For this checkpoint, all you need to do is a range of 2000 hex to 2000 and F. And you can see that my very first location here is 2000, which is matching the memory or my expected value. Now, there are additional checkpoints further down. Like if I go to the next breakpoint, it says memory location 2004 should be 2143657. You can see that's right here. So you're going to go to each checkpoint or each of these locations and validate that you've stored the correct value in memory. And once you've completed, gone to the halt, which is on line 70 here, you'll be finished with checkpoint 1. Good luck, and if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel so you'll be notified when additional videos are published.